Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to report a Snapchat account on your iPhone in step by step. Step 1. Open Snapchat. First open the Snapchat app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the user's profile. Next find the account you want to report. You can do this by opening your chat with them, tapping their Bitmoji or profile icon, searching for their username. Step 3. Open the menu. Once you are on their profile page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then you'll see the option called Manage Friendship, and here you can see Report option. Step 4. Tap Report. From the menu that appears, tap Report. Step 5. Choose a reason. Snapchat will ask why you are reporting the account. Select the option that best fits the issue, such as harassment, spam, impression, interrupted content, or abuse. Step 6. Submit the report. Follow the on-screen promotes, add any additional details, and tap Submit. Step 7. Confirmation. That's it. Snapchat will review the report and you don't need to take any further action. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.